I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the green tint issue comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. As you can see friends, the new addition is the IQ3 device in my studio. So let's see friends whether the IQ3 has got any kind of green tint or not. The only way to observe this kind of green tint is to compare with the other smartphone which has a green tint. So you can compare the both phones which has a green tint and without green tint. So in this way you will be able to determine which phone has an issue. And there's another reason why I did include the Realme X1 Max, because with the recent update, some of the users, they are facing the green tint issue problem. I did get those kind of comments on the Realme X1 Max. So that is the reason I thought of doing kind of revisit after the software update which I have received. And previously I did experience this kind of green tint problem mostly with the IQ phones, particularly with the IQ7 device. So let's see friends, in my testing I'll try to use the same kind of methods which I tested before. So same testings I'll try to do in this video as well. So let's see which phone has got how much type of green tint can be visible in all of these four smartphones. So if you want to know more details about the green tint issue, don't worry friends, just type in the YouTube green tint Sai Tech Guru. You can find all my videos, number of videos which I uploaded. All those videos will give you definitely a clear idea what is happening, what is the problem. So first let's start doing the green tint. First thing is to put all the mobile phones into the dark mode and turn off the room lights. So after turning off the room lights, then you will be able to see the green tint testing in all of the four smartphones. We will be able to test it. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the dark mode in all the four smartphones. And one more thing, in the Realme X1 Max you do have so much of customization. Try to select this option which is enhanced option. Don't try to select the gentle. If you try to select the gentle, what will happen is that definitely you will get this kind of gray kind of color on the background. Try to select this kind of enhanced color, only then you will be able to see the pure black colors. So let's see friends which phone has got what kind of problem. Next thing is to turn off the studio lights and everything. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use in the very low light environment mode at this point. Now let's see. First phone which I'm trying to use is the IQ3 device in terms of testing the green tint while using the notification panel. As you can see, the notification panel, as you can see. So I'm trying to, in the background there's a settings application. You can clearly see friends, in the background settings application and in the notification panel. Let me try to pull it down. Somewhere around here you should be able to see any kind of green tint problem. I think there's not much visible at this point. So let me try to open the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is another best way to see is there any kind of green tint problem or not in this phone. So whenever you try to open the Google Chrome, try to go to the incognito mode. Only then you will be able to see any kind of green tint issue is going on. So right now, as you can see, this is perfect. I think at this point I cannot see any kind of green tint problem in the IQ3 device. You can see friends clearly. Let me show you the brightness, how much I'm trying to use. I'm trying to increase slightly the brightness, little bit. As you can see, there is no green tint issue in the IQ3 device. It's perfectly alright. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to decrease the brightness slowly and slowly. You can see there's no issue friends in the IQ3 device at this point. I'll try to keep it side in this way. And now let me try to test the phone which has got the green tint problem. So slightly I'll try to decrease the brightness, background keeping the settings application. Now you will be able to see it. As you can see, slightly I'm trying to increase. As you can see friends clearly, so if this kind of green tint shift is going on somewhere around there. You can see the notification panel as well, how it is when compared with others IQ3 device. You can clearly see the difference, how much it is. Let me slightly decrease the brightness. So you can only see the green tint issue somewhere if you keep this kind of brightness level sometimes. As you can see, I did keep the same kind of brightness level in both phones, but you cannot see any kind of green tint. This is what is happening friends in the IQ7 device. So if I compare in this way only, you will be able to get to know which phone has got what kind of problem. You can see that clearly. So now let's open the incognito window in the Google Chrome. Let's see. So how the Google Chrome looks in this kind of mode. Slightly I'm trying to increase and decrease the brightness. I'm trying to increase and decrease the brightness. So now you will be able to see that kind of green tint shift. As you can see friends, somewhere around here the green tint will be there. If you compare both phones side by side, IQ3 and IQ7, you will be able to see definitely the difference, how it is in the IQ7 device. You can clearly see friends the difference. So this is how it should be there. Like the IQ7 it should be there, but that's not the case. You can clearly see. So now let's move to the next phone, which is a MI Linux device, which also has found some green tint problem before. Let's see what will happen. So let me try to do the testing in my way, and let me try to open the Chrome application to do this kind of testing. In the Chrome we should be able to see it, the green tint problem somewhere near this punch hole on the top. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness somewhere around this spot. As you can see, a little bit. So little bit kind of green tint you can see clearly. little bit, but not much. Just a little bit of the green tint is there in the MI Linux device. So I'll try to use different kind of application as well later on, but I just want to use this Google Chrome application first in all the phones to test this kind of theory, what is happening. And there is a Realme X1 Max, and now let me try to open the incognito window. And is the incognito window in the Realme X1 Max, and trying to increase and decrease the brightness. You can see there's no green tint is happening in this Realme X1 Max at all. Nothing. In my unit I cannot find any green tint issue in this Realme X1 Max. You can clearly see that, friends, as a proof. So now you can see from the top, so which phone has got what kind of green tint. Only the MI Linux and the in the IQ7 device, both phones I was able to see green tint, and more green tint is found in the IQ7 device at this point. Not only that, even you can see from, if you're trying to access from the notification panel from the lock screen, you will be able to see the much of the green tint is happening. As you can see how it looks, the green tint issue. I'm just trying to show you, friends, from the lock screen how it looks. If you're trying to use the lock screen, as you can see from that image, you can clearly see the green tint what is happening in the IQ7 device at this point. So only more is visible in the IQ7 device. So there is another application, friends, which is called the Screen Test Pro application. Here you'll be able to see the grayscale in all the smartphones. So right now you can see clearly the green color in this phone. Instead of gray, it's displaying green in this box, as you can see, friends, the IQ7 device. So whereas the IQ3, which has got pretty normal colors. So in this way you'll be able to determine which phone has got what kind of grayscale. Let me to decrease the brightness. This will be visible only in the zero brightness. So right now, as you can see, it's a zero brightness. I cannot see much of the effects in the MI Linux as well. And even let me decrease the brightness to 0 in the Realme X1 Max as well. As you can see in the Realme X1 Max also, I cannot see much kind of green. So in the IQ7 device only I was able to see the green. As you can see, completely brightness decrease, IQ7 and the MI Linux device, both. You can see the boxes difference. If I try to slightly zoom it, you will be able to see the difference between all the 4 smartphones at same time. So more green is visible at this point. You can see here, friends, clearly. So I think overall, friends, the green tint issue can be only found in the IQ7 device at this point in terms of the green tint having, and later the little bit of green tint is there in the MI Linux device as well. So overall, in my experience and in my reviews and in my uploading so many videos and getting so much of feedback from the customers and so much users as well, they did mention the IQ7 few units has got the green tint, even the MI Linux as well. These 2 phones and definitely have the green tint. Only few units. I am not complaining about every unit. Only few units have this kind of green tint issue. So whereas the IQ3 and the Realme X1 Max, so I did not hear much complaints. Only few, little bit, maybe I think of 3 to 4 comments I did hear about the Realme X1 Max till now. So about IQ3, I'm not sure, friends, because this is my first day of using this smartphone. So definitely I'll be trying to do in-depth testing on this IQ3 device particularly. So make sure to stay tuned for those interesting videos as well. Very soon I'll be uploading plenty of comparisons. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and definitely I'll try to do another test regarding the gameplay and the display test and the camera test, haptic feedback. So much of videos to be coming in the next upcoming days. So thank you for watching, and see the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.